So thus, the paper LED will stay on, and the first two will bounce back and forth. Since we won, our LED will continue to flash, and then go back into the reset. Now, I would choose scissors. My scissors LED will stay on, but the second green will turn on because we already have one in. Flash back and forth. We lost. The rock LED will stay on. The second LEDs will not be blinking. We lost again. Here's scissors again. The second and now third LED will blink. We won. So now it is 2-2. So whoever wins. Here's that we won, so it will run through the restart, and then our LEDs flash when we're done.
And again, this time, scissors. Building the suspense. We won! Again.
I will be briefly talking through the code of our rock, paper, scissors project. Our initial lines of code up to line 32 demonstrate our variables being defined, whether they are the power button and the pins for the reading of the variables, the number of wins and losses and how we calculate that, and the LED pins. Our void loop consists of the functions that our rating board will be performing in its rock, paper, scissors. It will do a reset LED dance. It will check to see if the button is pushed. We'll check that push value against the computer's chosen value, see whether it was either a loss or tie. And then it will display that on the screen and then reset itself twice again. To reset in our void reset loop, it is just a small LED dance. Our setup the winning LEDs lets us show on the serial monitor, which I will bring up, which values the computer chose and which values we chose. And this is actually the end of our code.
I will now be talking about the circuit.
So this is our circuit schematic for our rock, paper, scissors game. First I will explain our buttons and the setup of those. So starting off, we hook them up to analog pin 3, and then voltage runs from there through this resistor. And if none of these buttons are pushed, it will flow through all of these resistors into ground. But if we push, let's say, the first button, this will close, and voltage will run through the path of least resistance. It'll go through this one resistor, and then through here, because this will be closed, and into analog pin 2, which will receive the voltage, and then translate it into variable. This one's rock. Now for the LEDs. These are actually in digital log, not in analog. So each LED has its own pin. This one's pin 2, pin 3, and 4. And then the voltage will go across here into the LED. They all come to a common resistor and then into ground. These are set to our reason and will display what we have programmed as